Hey kids, today we're going to teach you how to draw a Christmas sock. We are starting with the upper part of the sock. We will draw this fuzzy rectangular because it's meant to imitate wool. Then we're going to go all the way down into a curve at the heel. Trying to make the contour bigger since usually socks are thicker for winter. Now we're going to draw the end part where the toes will be. And we are going to connect it back to the wool. So we're going to draw these lines for the toes and for the heel. To make it simple, we're going to add a few extra lines. Nice and easy, we're going to go all the way to the bottom of the sock. We can add how many lines we want. Don't worry if the lines are a little bit moved or like they're not properly aligned. That does not matter. As long as you're having fun and you're liking your design, that's all that counts. Plus, drawing a straight line by hand, it's kind of hard. So let's try to do our best. When the lines are done, we're going to add these forms on top to make it that like the wool is a little bit fuzzy. And now we can start filling up the colors. For the toe and heel part, we can do a slightly darker red. If you don't have darker red, just use regular red. You can actually use any color you want. You don't even need to follow this example. This is made only so that you get an understanding how it is drawn. Now, with the slightly darker green, we're going to fill in these two lines that separate the toes and the heels from the rest of our sock. And with the lighter green, we are going to fill in the lines that we have previously drawn. Take your time with this. Try not to go over the edges, but if you do, that's perfectly fine. We don't need to have everything perfect. As long as we are having a good time while doing it, this is all that matters. Well done! Now we're going to continue using the red we have previously used to fill in the gaps. This is a very simple sock. If you want, you can add dots, stars, anything that your imagination can create. Try out different things. Who knows, you might end up doing something even better. We don't know until we try. And we're at the last part. And we're done. job. See how simple that was? See you next time. Bye bye.